welcome to day 12 of the Cheeki Puffs Advent Calendar.
Emma's sick today because it's December. And as you know, December is sick time. And I'm not sick because I'm so cool, I'm so fire emoji that I don't get sick.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you haven't seen this Advent calendar, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be producing good old content. From that content, you guys must subscribe because I don't know, this doesn't make any sense. Subscribe, and we're gonna open up these, and these, and these. Let's get right on into the video.
First thing I'm gonna be opening is this Advent Calendar from Precious Moments.
Yes!
Thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product. What is it?
Emma, you're gonna read that.
Oh, sweet.
Yes.
I do. My throat is all full of mucus and it's gross.
Someone get her a cough drop. Today is a nice little stable boy.
It's a shepherd.
That's the same thing.
The shepherds, plural. The shepherds. I don't know how to read. The shepherd's heart were full of fear. The angel's message was not yet clear.
Okay, so now we're gonna open up this one, the abstinence one.
No, that's not it.
That is it.
Well, you're not facing towards the camera. What is it?
It's a peppermint.
Let's give her some mints. Green and white, she'll make our Christmas tree so bright.
Wow, that's great.
The peppermint is gendered.
Perfect. I guess it's meat time today. Let's go ahead and open up meat. We're on number 12. Meat. Meat. All right, so today we got birch beef strips.
Birch?
Birch.
Like the
It's gonna
tree?
taste like a tree. Do you want some?
No.
Megan, do you want some?
No.
Beef. Today's beef was better than yesterday's beef.
Now it's time for me to open up my jewelry advent calendar, and I have a cough drop now, so I don't sound as awful.
And you smell like cough drop, but they can't tell that.
Do I? Today's is a little green charm.
Ooh, now that is fancy.
Now it's time for the makeup advent calendar.
That's not.
Drift.
That's right.
Know who he is. They're not going to necessarily understand that, because that's in the second installment.
You're right. Ooh, now
I
that's
got-
the coolest bottle so far.
Mascara. You want some mascara, Donna?
No, I hate mascara
Why?
because it's uncomfortable and it makes my eyelashes hurt. All right, number 12, cheese.
Cheese.
Queso. Ooh, today is Adam.
Oh, I wanted to try that, but I got cough drop taste. Texting Noah. Is it good?
You wanna try?
No.
You wanna try?
No. I can't.
Mother, try this cheese.
No.
Open your mouth. I'll get it in.
This one Noah's one. Noah's been wanting to try.
It's all right. Not a lot of taste to it. It's kind of just like a little faint cheese taste. It's the most subtle one we've had so far.
Can you open it?
Donate gift.
Beaker, open this Cheeki Puff.
How did you know it was a Cheeki Puff, Micah?
Can you open it?
No, this was a donate one.
This is a donate Cheeki Puff.
A Pick Me Pop Cheeki Puff. This is for Moose. Thank you, Moose, for the free product.
Now that we got the donate one out of the way, we're gonna open up this one.
Open this.
This one's for the teens.
What is
We
it?
are indeed teens.
I see something. What is it?
It is a Tinkering Labs
I got to the bad part of the cough
thing. Electric motor catalyst. So thank you, Tinkering Labs, for the free product. Let's go ahead and let's test this out. It's a full, you build something out of motors and such, and then
Noah would like it.
and then it moves. At a toy convention once, we saw these bad boys, and I thought they were pretty dang snazzy. So, yeah, we're gonna assemble it.
Why is it hard to breathe?
That's what it does. Ooh, we got some glasses. My glasses.
This is for ages 8 and up. It's just a 30 to 60 minute challenge. There's no tinkering experience required. And designed to get hands and minds moving.
We got time for this?
All right, well, while Shosha does that, we're gonna open up Micah's gift. Also, Jonah's name is Shosha because that's what Micah calls him. And I'm Emma's for some reason.
Shosha.
I think Micah learned my name through being told that everything he takes from my room is not his, but it is Emma's. So he thinks that's my name.
I see something. It's a monster.
It's a what?
A monster box. Monster box.
It's Beaker Creature's Liquid Reactor Super Lab. Thank you, Learning Resources, for the free product.
Whoa! I love you, Emma.
Okay, love you too, Micah.
I love you, Shasha.
Love you too, Micah.
What are you building?
Something.
Attach each to
You
to
building
the
car?
underside
Yes,
chamber.
car. He might have a sensory thing if he likes how you're soft.
Put in water.
Whoops! I didn't mean to crack
Whoopsie.
it.
Whoa! What is it?
I'm getting him.
What is it?
You can't really see him yet.
Easy. Whoa! What is it? It's a fish.
He's a monster. See?
Grab it.
Sorry.
It's coming out. Sweetie, coming out. Watch out. Watch out.
All right, Micah. This one is named Fly Low.
I need more water.
Here you go.
Thank you.
All right, so now we got this beautiful product here that I made by my lonesome. Bam.
Oh, it moves.
Coco, I need it.
Whoa!
I need it. Turn it off. Turn it off.
You can
All
have
right,
it
thank you
after
for
this
watching today's episode.
I need it.
Tune in tomorrow for episode 3. Well, where I may be slightly more sick or slightly less sick. Just kidding, it's filmed in the same day. I'll be the same amount of sick.